Let's study very short answer type questions. Question 1. Give the definition of sustainable development as suggested by Brundtland Report. Answer. Development that meets the needs of the present, without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their needs. Question 2. Write any two challenges to sustainable development. Answer. The two challenges to sustainable development are: 1. Rise in population level would lead to severe environmental degradation in the future. 2. Poor management of natural resources combined with growing economic activities will continue to pose serious challenges to environment. Question 3. Give any one practice sustainable process that is being used to help preserve the environment. Answer. One practice sustainable process that is being used to help preserve the environment is organic farming. Organic farming is an agricultural system that uses fertilizers of organic origin such as compost manure, green manure and bone meal, and places emphasis on techniques such as crop rotation and companion planting. Question 4. Give an example of large-scale production of solar power in India. Answer. Charnaka Gujarat Solar Park is an example of large-scale production of solar power in India. Question 5. The achievement of sustainable development requires what? Answer. The achievement of sustainable development requires the integration of economic, environmental and social components at all levels. Question 6. Reduced inequalities is one of the sustainable development goals set by the UN. Give any two ways to reduce inequalities. Answer. Two easy ways to reduce inequalities are as follows. 1. Helpful to one another. We should help everyone in spite of caste, religion, rich or poor, etc. 2. Be friendly with everyone. It doesn't matter who they are or what they do. Treat everyone the same way with kindness and respect. Let's study short answer type questions. Question 1. Why there is a need for sustainable development? Give reasons. Ans. Sustainable development is necessary for the maintenance of the environment. There is a need of sustainable development because of the following reasons. 1. Sustainable development teaches people to make use of means and resources for the maximum benefit without wastage. 2. Sustainable development brings about changes in people's knowledge, attitude and skill. 3. Sustainable development aims at achieving the goal of economic and social development without destroying the Earth's means and resources. Question 2. The most significant environment problems are related to which type of resources? Answer. The most significant environmental problems are associated with resources that are renewable such as air and water. They have a finite capacity to assimilate emissions and wastes, but if pollution exceeds this capacity, ecosystem will deteriorate rapidly at a huge pace. Question 3. Explain the short-term solutions related to sustainable development. Answer. The short-term solutions to sustainable development are as follows. 1. The practice of illegal deforestation and smuggling of forest resources should be stopped. 2. Proper balance ought to be maintained between deforestation and afforestation. 3. Planning and building of industrial zones to manage and process are types of wastes. 4. Proper treatment system, recycling of waste and their proper disposal should be undertaken. 5. Adoption of rainwater harvesting techniques, drip sprinkler, irrigation and use of alternative sources of energy. 6. Less chemical fertilizers should be used along with environment-friendly pesticides and weedicides. Let's study long answer type questions. Question 1. Describe the meaning and importance of sustainable development. Answer. Sustainable development refers to the process of economic development where resources are used judiciously to satisfy needs of not only present generation but also to conserve them for the use of future generations. Sustainable development takes place without depleting the present natural resources. The importance of sustainable development is discussed below. 1. It helps to conserve and make use of means and resources for the maximum benefit without wastage. 2. It awares the people about the responsibility to use and preserve natural resources. 3. It creates the feeling that natural resources are the common property of all and nobody can use the property according to his personal will. 4. It helps to conserve natural and social environment. 5. People's participation is to be given priority in development work in order to achieve the aim of sustainable development. 6. It attempts to create the concept of maintaining the present work for the future and conserving natural resources for future generation.